If you want to archive payments on PayPal to keep your transaction history clean and organized, this guide will help you understand the process in a simple and beginner-friendly way. Archiving payments does not delete them but simply hides them from your main view, making it easier to manage your activity. In this video, I'll walk you through the steps so you can do it without any confusion. First, open the PayPal website or app and sign into your account using your email and password. Once you're logged in, go to the Activity section where all your transactions are listed. Here you can see completed, pending, and past payments. Now find the payment you want to archive. Click on that transaction to open its details. In some cases, you may see an option like Archive or Hide. If the option is available, select it and confirm your choice. If you don't see a direct archive option, you can use filters to manage your transactions. For example, you can filter by date, type, or status to reduce clutter in your activity view. Another method is downloading your transaction history for record keeping and then focusing only on recent payments in your dashboard. This helps you stay organized even if the archive option is limited. Keep in mind that PayPal features may vary by region and account type, so the exact option name might be slightly different. However, the goal is to manage and organize your transaction view. In short, go to Activity, select the payment, use Archive or Filters, and keep your PayPal transactions organized. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple and quick tutorials like this.